Gaia GPS Travel Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get GPS and mapping apps wrong. They think they are only for driving. The surprising truth about Gaia GPS is how it serves hikers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts with detailed maps, offline navigation, and route tracking. And you won't believe the accuracy it offers in remote areas. Here's how it works. Gaia GPS provides topographic, satellite, and trail maps that can be downloaded for offline use. You can plot routes, track your location, and share waypoints with friends or groups. For example, a hiker exploring national parks can navigate trails safely, mark campsites, and monitor elevation changes without relying on cellular service. Most people get this wrong. They assume GPS apps work only in cities, but Gaia GPS excels in wilderness areas with detailed terrain information. Additional features include route planning, weather overlays, trip logging, and integration with fitness trackers. Users can also access community-shared routes and maps for inspiration and safety tips. However, there are considerations. Full access to all maps and features requires a subscription, and some features may have a learning curve. Most people assume offline maps are basic. It's not. Gaia GPS provides high-detailed topographic data. In conclusion, Gaia GPS is ideal for travelers, hikers, and outdoor adventurers who need reliable, detailed navigation anywhere. It combines precision, offline accessibility, and trip planning tools in one app. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel and outdoor technology.